What's going on, everyone? It's RGB Tech back here again. And in today's video, I'm diving into something super useful tool, especially if you've ever lost important files or accidentally deleted something from your PC. This video is sponsored by 4DDiG Free Data Recovery by Tenorshare, and it's actually a lifesaver. You can recover deleted files, lost partitions, USB drives, even formatted disks, and you can also recover data for free after formatting, or if you have a hard disk problem or whatsoever. This tool supports more than 2,000 file types on various storage devices like any type of file media. And the best part? You can get started for free. I've added the link in the description, so go check it out if you ever need to recover something. Click on Free Download. It works for both Windows and Mac versions. Install the setup as usual, select your language, accept, and proceed to next. Alright, so we are on the main interface. And here in the data recovery section, you can recover data from various local drives. You can recover from recycle bin and common file path locations. You can also recover data from an SD card, video recovery, cloud drive, and even a crashed PC. So now, here, I want to recover data from a pen drive. I'll connect the pen drive to the PC. Let's open it up. Here I have some of my files like photos, videos, and some other files like documents in here. These are some photos and videos. Now what I'll do here is simply select all of these files and delete them, or directly format this USB drive, just to show you how. Now it's completely empty. Like you can't even restore it from the recycle bin. It's empty. So here, I'll refresh it again. Select the USB drive. Now select the type of files you want to recover, like photos, videos, documents, or even other types. Click on Scan Selected File Types, and it starts scanning the files in advanced mode. Here, you can recover files by path or by type. I'll show you. I'll fast forward this a bit. Alright, the scan is completed. Now we need to check and recover the files we want, like by file path, but it's a bit complicated. So, select Type, and now you can find files more easily. For example, under Photos, select the file type, like JPG, and here you can see some of the pics I deleted recently. And the videos as well. So select the files you want to recover. And if you missed any important documents, select them too. Okay, so here I selected the files I want. Now click on Recover and set the path where you want to save these files. Or you can create a custom folder to recover files in that drive. Here, select Save by File Type and click on Save Now. Select Recover Only. Alright, now the files have been recovered successfully. Now you can view your recovered files. They're arranged by file type. Let's go to Photos. And as you can see, it recovered really well without any data errors or image glitches. And in Videos. And as mentioned, this is actually insane. It works really well without any playback errors. So yeah, that's how easy it is to recover lost files using 4DDiG. With the free version, you can recover up to 2 gigabytes of data, which is still great with some limited features. But if you need more advanced options or want to recover larger files, definitely check out the Pro plans. Link in the description. Hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.